All right, let's take a look at Alibaba. Now, China authorities have hit affiliate Ant Group with a $985 million fine. Shares of the company have been tracking higher this morning, up over 4% on expectations that authorities would levy the fine and finally wrap up a long-standing probe of the e-commerce giant's fintech arm. Now, regulators forced Ant Group to cancel its blockbuster IPO and to restructure its business in 2020. Again, we're seeing a positive reaction in terms of Alibaba and that putting that issue to bed, Shauna.
Yeah, and I think also just more broadly what this signals for the sector over there when you take into account so many of these Chinese tech names had been under pressure given the crackdown that we had seen from regulators. So this fine, what it paves the way for just in terms of the potential for future growth, restructuring plans for an eventual IPO. That, of course, is seen as good news here among investors. One of the reasons why we're seeing a pop here in shares this morning. It's being reflected across the board on some of its competitors as well. JD.com also opening the day up just about 2%. Some U.S. e-commerce companies also in the green here, but allowing the fintech giant here to resume that business growth, bringing back some of that hope that Beijing is going to finally ease some of those regulations, some of the crackdown that we have seen on the tech sector. That's what's really driving the early reaction
Yeah, on
today.
the tech sector, and also just kind of that crackdown on Jack Ma's businesses, basically. Alibaba and Ant Group were both his babies.
Yeah, certainly.
So.
Yeah, Alibaba shares up just about 4% today.